Hello children, welcome back to my class. How are you all today? Superb. Okay, so let's continue our lesson. Textbook bits. Look at these words. Here beetle, B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle, birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. The word beetle is a singular noun. Singular noun is nothing but one. We use a singular noun to name one person, one place, one thing or one animal. Here beetle, just one beetle. That is nothing but singular noun. Single, जो अकेला रहता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Singular noun. But the word birds is a plural noun. More than one is called plural. Plural noun. We use plural nouns when there is more than one. Okay. What is the singular noun of birds? B-I-R-D. Bird. But bird plural noun is birds. More than one. One bird, many birds. Many birds are called as plural noun. So, here are some rule for you to identify the singular noun, plural nouns. We add s to a singular noun to make it a plural noun. Now what he is saying? We have to add s to a singular noun. Suppose beetle, already he has given. If we add s, it will become plural. Singular noun will become plural. When it will become plural? When we add s. Okay children? Now in the same way, bird. Bird is here singular noun, only one bird. But when we have to add s, it will become plural noun. One bird, many birds. Okay. In the same way, we add es if the singular noun ends in o, s, x, z, ch or sh. See here, the words which ends with x, ch or z, o, sh, x, then we have to add es. Suppose fox, he is saying fox. The word is ending with x. So what you have to add? You have to add es. It will become foxes. In the same way, bench. It is ending with ch. So what you have to add here? Es. It will become benches. Very good. Next. For some nouns which end with y, we write the plural by changing y to ies. The word which ends with y, we have to add ies. Story, stories. Okay, did you understand? Now, I will be showing you one plural nouns chart. So, understand it carefully. So, okay children, as you can see here plural nouns chart. Here are some rules as I have explained you before, that is s, es and ies. S when you have to use? When the student plus s, singular noun plus s, it gives plural nouns, students. In the same way, es that ends with o, s, sh, ch, x, z and double s. Suppose example, fox plus es equals to foxes, as the word is ending with a x. Okay, here ies ends in consonant plus y. Whenever the word which is ending with a y, you have to add ies. It will become babies. Baby plus ies equals to babies. Now you have to say me what the plural form of these nouns. Here book. What will be the plural form of the book if we add plus s? Yes, very good. The answer is books. So you have to paste it here. It will become books. Now what comes? Next one, dog. Dog plural noun will be dogs. Yes, very good children. Next one, car. Plural noun of car is cars. Yes, excellent. Then comes coat. Coat plural noun will be coats. Superb. So S column has been completed now. Now let us go for ES. First one is box. What will be the plural form of box? It is X and it is ending with X. So what you have to add? You have to add ES. Then what it will become? Boxes. Yes, very good children. Next one, dress. The plural noun will be dresses. Next one, beach. Plural noun will be beaches. Dish. Plural noun will be dishes. Yes, very good. Now let us go for the last one, IES. It is ending with the consonant letter Y. Now candy. What you have to add? You have to add IES, then it will become candies. CANDIES, candies. The next one, baby. Babies. Next, cherry. Cherries. Next, library. Libraries. Okay children, clear? Now have you understood? S, ES and IES. Okay? Now let's start this bit. See, change these singular nouns to plural nouns by adding S, ES or IES. Suppose flower ending with a consonant R. You have to use just flowers. Box, boxes. Cycle, cycles. City, cities. It is ending with Y, that's why we are adding IES. Ferry, ending with Y, you have to add IES, ferries. Sixth one, beach, ending with a CH. What you have to add? You have to just add ES, beaches. Then next, debit. Complete these sentences with the plural of the words in the brackets. First one, Raj and Kia open a box of mangoes. In a bracket, mango. The plural form of mango will be mangoes. Second one, there are beautiful dash in the garden. In a bracket, butterfly. Plural form of butterfly is butterflies. Okay, BUTTERFLIES, flies, butterflies. Third one, we love picture dash. In a bracket, book. Plural form of book, books. BOOKS, books. Fourth, I use dash to draw a picture. In a bracket, crayon. What do you have to write? CRAYONS, crayons. Fifth, the four dash are very colorful. In a bracket, kite. So you have to write kites. Plural will be kites. Sixth one, Mumtaz has two dash and one sister. In a bracket, brother. Plural form of brother is brothers. BROTHERS, brothers. Next one, vocabulary. Work in pairs, match the action words to the correct pictures. Here are some action pictures are there and action words are there. You have to match it properly in a correct way. Suppose first one, drinks. So can you see here who is drinking here? Yes, she. So match it to the C. First one is C. Second one, draws. Drawing. Yeah, he is drawing. C. Match to C. Third one, runs. Can you see here who is running? Yeah, A. Third one, A. He is running. Fourth one, washes. This woman is washing, right? B. Match to B. Fifth one, watches. Who is watching a television? Yeah, this D man. Match to D. Okay. Next bit. Complete the sentences with the correct words from exercise A. As we have done here, now based on this you have to write here the proper sentences. First one, Salma drinks a glass of milk in the morning. Second, Amal draws on paper with a red pencil. Third, Samir runs to the fence in the garden. Fourth, Dana washes her hands with soap. Fifth, Jagan watches a show on television. This part is not necessary. So coming to this bit, spelling. Read these clues, complete these words with the double letters. The double letters already I have explained you. Double letters. Okay. First one, you rest your head on this at night. So where do you sleep? PI-OW. double L-O-W. Second one, you eat this with bread. What do you eat with bread? Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Third, the sound a bee makes, buzz, B-U-Z-Z. Fourth, a baby cat is called kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Fifth, you find these on the beach, shells, S-H-E-L-L-S, shells. Sixth, cows like to eat this. What cows eat? Grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Seventh, a hen lays this, E-G-G, egg. Eighth, when you smile you feel this way, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Now writing part. Put these sentences in the correct order, number them from 1 to 8. According to the correct order, you have to number here. So let us see the first one. Augustus had lost his smile, number 1. Then second comes, he looked for his smile in the bushes, number 2. Then number 3 comes here. He climbed up the tallest trees, 3. Then he walked up the highest mountains, 4. Next one. He swam in the deepest seas, 5. He walked through a desert, then 6. Augustus played in the rain, 7. Then he found his smile under his nose. This was the 8th. Okay, children. So these bits are not necessary. No need to worry about this. So till here, we have completed our first lesson textbook part. In the next video, I will be explaining the notebook part, and in the other video, the worksheet form. So be ready with that. So till that time, take care. Bye bye.